The TP-Link Tapo Smart Dimmer Switch delivers smooth, flicker-free dimming that lets you fine-tune brightness for anything from late-night winding down to focused reading. Installation is straightforward thanks to the guided smartphone setup, as long as your wall box has a neutral wire and a standard 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Once installed, the switch works reliably with both Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can adjust lights completely hands-free when your arms are full or you are entering a dark hallway. The Tapo app makes it easy to check light status and control the switch from anywhere, which is especially useful for travelers who want their home to look occupied. Flexible schedules, countdown timers, and an away mode help automate daily lighting routines while also adding a layer of security by making activity at home appear more random. Build quality feels solid, and the clean white faceplate blends in with typical decor, making this 4-pack a practical way to modernize multiple rooms with smart, energy-conscious lighting control.